How to create a group of apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Swipe to find the apps that you want to group from here. Then, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. Now, tap and hold the app you want to move and place it over any other app. As you can see, you have already grouped these two apps together. You can also change the name of this group above. You can now repeat this to add other apps to this group as well. Following these steps, you can easily create a group of apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.